Am I shaky as hell?
What up, guys? It's Zach or Modified World, and as you know, I did wreck the silver car. Sad. I didn't really wreck it, somebody ran over me, but I want to show you the new beauty right here. I want to have a little montage that my future stepbrother, basically stepbrother, made for me. Hope you guys enjoy the new car. I'm going to be making a lot of videos with it. I've already made a few, but I'm gonna show her off in this video. Hope you guys like it. So here she is, really aggressive front end. Do a little walk around of it. Yeah, it's not been started in probably since like Saturday. It's got that carbon fiber. After purchasing this car though, I am broke. We'll look at the inside of it. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Here's the inside. You know, you got the gauges. You know, that's like the biggest flex for me anyways, like just personal flex. I mean, it doesn't matter what you have or anything like that. Just having gauges in a car is awesome to me. Holding 50 pounds of oil pressure at a cold idle. I know it's not cold, but you know what I mean. Does have a broke radio. I did plug up the CarPlay. Yeah, CarPlay. Apple CarPlay. And it like fried it. I don't know what happened. But gonna have to get a new radio. Has the G8 designs, AC. It's pretty sick. Steering wheel's pretty awesome too. All the boost gauges. The dominant, however you say it, the odometer. Definitely butchered that, but it's orange. Orange trim around the door handles. Your AFR gauge down there. Then a little necklace. It means a lot. You got the GoPro hooked up, you already know. It's got the orange around the door. That's pretty sick. The other cool thing, it does have a sunroof. That's pretty awesome. My other car did not have that. It's pretty basic though, interior. Not interior wise, because there's different stuff in this car versus the other one. But like just the cool little add-ons, that's pretty awesome. But yeah, that's the cockpit of it. And if you're wondering, it is boosted, and I'll show you the goodies here in a second. So bear with me while I show you what's good up there. So here's the goodies, what everybody loves, the heart of some bald eagles, the little LSA action. I'll make another video go in more depth of the build. I did get it off a guy named Corey. I'm sure you guys seen this car on YouTube before. Yes, I know I did the buy, not build, but when there's a deal that's as good as this one, you can't really pass it up. Needs a 5-inch intake, but you know, it's enough for what I need right now. But like I said, I'll make a video going in more details about it. It's pretty basic, like conservative, like boost and all of that. But like I said, I'll do a video on that. But that's her. There's one more other cool thing about the car, and I'll show you in just 1 second. Here's the other cool thing about this car. The LEDs, built by Corey himself. They're pretty awesome. Amber halos, matching fog lights. But that's her. Her name's called Wilma, Whiny Wilma. But hope you guys enjoy the new car. Like I said, I'm going to make a lot of videos of her. But until next time, peace out, and hope you guys like the new car.